Need to decorate your house for Halloween? Want to use 3D printing to do it? Join us as we show you how we decorated our house. Hi, and welcome to today's video. As I said, we are showing you how we decorated our home using 3D printed materials and templates that were found out on Thingiverse and other sites around the internet. So right next to me is this wonderful little ghost. We have a couple of these hanging from our tree out front. I printed this guy with inland PLA luminous, so at night he will glow in the dark. So that's just one item that we started using 3D printers. These guys take about 4 hours to print. They're really quick print and they are quite easily done, and you can make them in quick supply. I printed this guy with an Ender 3 and, like I said, inland luminous, so at night he will glow green. So let's move on to the next items that we made outside.
Now the Mickey pumpkin, it actually has a pretty neat story to it. So I picked out the design for Mickey, but the actual model was a little tea light. So the neat story about this one is that Mike was able to very much make it much bigger so it can actually be a cool pumpkin size. And also the neat story about this one is that the print actually made an error in the middle and stopped, and Mike was able to go and rescue it. So if you want the full video on this pumpkin, check out the link in the description below. Now Mickey, this model is completely hollow, so we put in some string lights inside the pumpkin as well, so at night, which we'll give you a little clip, shines really brightly and makes a really cool jack-o'-lantern. Now the StormTrooper Pumpkin is pretty unique print. I did do the painting on this one, which I thought turned out fairly well, not too hard to print. But this one is also, doesn't have a whole lot of infill, but weighs a little bit more than the Mickey Mouse pumpkin. And now if you want the full description on how we made this pumpkin, check out the link for the StormTrooper Pumpkin in the description below. So we gave you some ideas for decorating with 3D printing outside. Now we're moving insides to give you some ideas for decorating your holiday table. So I love this opportunity to show all the different things you can do with 3D printing, and this is a perfect example. So for this table, we have set it, and we have created some custom napkin ring holders in different shapes. We've got pumpkins, we have cauldrons, and we even have the little owls, my personal favorite, because the owls and the pumpkins could be all season long, really all fall, which is great. Then I thought this was really fun, so we decorated our chandelier with these little ghosts and bats. These are made with luminescent type of filament, PLA plus. And another example of how you can customize your prints is that, so this was the size of the original model, and then 400%, these are the size of our ghosts outside. So we match our inside and outside, but you can really customize everything. We have this, I really liked this, how this print turned out. Another one I found on Thingiverse, and full video on how this piece was created. We'll also link that in the description below. I hope you like this, and please hit subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and hit that bell because we have even more videos coming that are going to give you some great ideas for your holidays and using 3D printing.
Hey guys, I wanted to add a bonus onto the video today. So Halloween, it's not just about decorating the house, but also you can decorate you. So I'm going to kind of pre-show a work in progress of a project that I've been kind of working on for Halloween and different things like that. Now, a lot of times you see cosplayers and that working with 3D printing as well. And that's kind of what I've been taking on too, with the Halloween theme of going into the Mandalorian armor. So all of these patterns were found out on Thingiverse, and I will link them in the video that you will see them. But there's nothing stopping you from even making your own Halloween costume, so decorating yourself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Kick in for when this video comes out here in probably another week of the Mandalorian armor build. And we will see you guys next time.